the APTN is a third of the cost. It takes a third of the time to complete, at least a third of the time, and it is a third of the cost, which means you can get in the field, you can start working and faster and more efficiently for far less money, okay? Far less money. So if you let's look at that, and then I'll talk about my local business, okay, and what it includes. Because what happens is the Piano Technicians Academy right here, they're one course, and they have fantastic videos. You know, they're great guys, they're young guys, I like these guys, but their course cost, the one course costs $1,500 to take the course. So this is their tuning course, okay? So that's about 3 times the cost of the Apex Piano course. And then if you want to take the Business Boost course, which teaches you how to run your business, it's another $1,200, okay? That's at the making of this video. That's what I found out. You want to do the other stuff, the course, piano business course, a signature business. So all of this is already included in my course, in my one-time, payment or whatever. It's still, this is, you keep going down here, wow, $1,250. So now you have to, just to learn to run your business, you have to spend another $1,200. So you're almost into $3,000. Okay, let's look at Randy Potter's course. I'm more biased towards liking Randy's course because I took Randy's course. Also, I like Randy, and Randy's course has some bonuses that the cost is $1,800 at this time. And honestly, Randy's course has not went up in price in like 10 years. I mean, I think I paid this much for this course. So good for Randy. And also Randy's course comes with an action model and tools, so you get a ton of stuff. The thing about Randy's course, it's not online. It's all DVDs as far as I know. And it's books. So you get tons of books and DVDs and you have all this stuff, and it takes forever to go through Randy's course. I mean, Randy is a phenomenal mind. Okay, Randy knows everything about piano tuning. He's the leader in the piano industry. The guy is the Mac Daddy leader of the piano tech industry. He is the guy. So I mean, if I was picking something other than the Apex, I would pick this. Like I said, these guys are young and new, and they're doing cool stuff, and I'm sure you can maybe learn. The only thing is, it doesn't matter either one of these that you pick. You're still going to struggle to learn tuning by ear. It's going to take you a lot longer. So just go back to that. But I like Randy's course, and it takes a long time. Randy is just like when you email Randy and ask him a question, he'll email you back like a book. Like he's very thorough. Okay, the guy is very thorough, and he knows everything. Okay, that's the thing about Randy Potter. Randy Potter's course, and you get a lot of tools that you need to start, but you don't need a lot of tools to start. You can buy a toolkit on Amazon for $49.99 or $99, and you get the whole thing. I actually have one they sent me, and I'm gonna do a review on it. It's got some mutes and some tuning hammers. You don't need all those tools that Randy sent you to start with. So I'm just saying, yes, you get tools, but honestly, you don't need all those right away. You just need like $50 worth of tools. Okay, so I'm trying to help you guys out here. All right, I'm trying to save you some money.